Yo, what's up, everybody? So, catching up on some videos that we missed. We have Bad Villains, Hurricane music video. Yo, listen, I'm pumped for this one. I'm pumped for this Bad Villain to just take over my playlist today. So, or not my playlist, but my YouTube like repeat watch mode thing, you know? Oh. Hey, hey. First off, let me just tell you guys right now, 100%, I love this music video already. I love the location that they chose for it. I love it being outside. I love it being just in the dirt, right? I was not. I'm 100% aware that I am not prepared to watch this music video. Like, oh my goodness, I forgot. Oh, this beat goes so hard. This beat's so dirty. Ooh. Hey. Let us know. Hot damn, let us know. Hey. The vocals and the flow for the rap are just so seamless. They're so just a badass. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna tell you how it is. Badass, and I love like I'm crazier than crazy one, you know that I'm different like alien mood than a Oh, I love that shot. Hello. God, again, I knew this music video was gonna just be insane. This shot is I love the just craziness of the colors with her white outfit. Like, we get this green smoke, right? We get, and purple's my favorite color, and I love this like purplish blue that's back on the like the quarry wall back here, the, you know, with this orange and red with like, dude, come on, man. I love this video already. Oh, ooh. Damn, that was gorgeous. Okay, first off, two things right here. I love these outfits. I love just these outfits right here. I don't know what it is. I just love these outfits right here. And then we get this gorgeous. Hey. Ooh, that tornado right there? Now, again, I'm gonna explain to you guys why I love this area that they're in, right? I love when you introduce like an element, right? Wind, water, earth, you know, fire, things like that, right? Like the fact that they're dancing in this dirt, right? When their movement, and you see the plumes of dust pop up, and just I'm telling you, it's just so sick to watch. Same thing with like water, you know, like, oh, when they dance, like, come on, man. Hey, Dax, try me, try me, try him. Let's go, try him. Sliding. Oh, that line goes so hard too. No, my look. Oh, shit. Sliding. Ah, see. Yo, I'm telling you, the vocals, and then we get the rap, like the bop with the rap, like the bounce. Each one of their individual bounce is just crazy. Their delivery is insane. But remember what I said about the use of the dirt, right? Like this car doing the donut around is like, look at that. Ooh. No, I don't know. Hey. Listen, if y'all sleeping on BV, y'all messing up. I'm telling you, man, if y'all sleeping on BV, all right, y'all need to, I don't know what to tell you. Like, I'm sorry. Like, come on, man. Like, come on. Bad Villain, like. Ooh. Ah. What a, yo, this music video was nutty, was bonkers. Again, it's just the music. First off, just the atmosphere of the music video, right? Like, was just so crazy. Okay, beautiful. I love the setting. I love the setting. I love it being a night and day, and then we get the just crazy ass shots that were just so sick to watch. Again, come on now, choreo, vocals, rap. Like, excuse me, like what? What else? Again, the outfits were fire. Again, those the two-tone tops with the I think it was black or blue and white, or was it black and white? I can't remember. I think it was blue and white though. But that outfit, I love that outfit for some reason. I don't know why. I can't put my finger on it, but I really, really, really enjoyed that outfit. Yeah, again, loved it. It was fun. I already knew that I was gonna be in trouble because when I watched the performance video, I was just like, okay, yeah. But yeah, no, the Hurricane music video, fire. Y'all better stop sleeping on BV. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Go show Bad Villain all the love. Show them nothing but love because they deserve it. Hurricane banger. Like, come on now. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. Please drink plenty of water because it is hot outside. Please be safe. Y'all take it easy. I love you. Peace.